Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Beautiful bit of kit here. Here is a Magnetti Marelli tap conversion. Okay, this particular item is what we use on all our carb kits. Okay, you can see very good quality. This is a machine thing, and this is your tank bung. Okay, so what's going to happen? Here's your stock Harley tap, your 22 mil as they call it. Okay, this is going to be your conversion here. That's going to screw in there. Bit awkward single-handedly, obviously, but basically that will go into there, he says, which is really awkward with one hand. But basically then this is your sealer, you know, your polyurethane or whatever it is, nut. Okay, and then the other one on the Magnetti Marelli, you've got a bung, so this is going to go in the bung's going to go in a hole. Okay, and this is basically what we use on all of our carburetor kits, EFI to carb kits. We also do one for Sportster, which is a different thread and everything, but it does allow you to fit the 22 mil on, and you don't need this bung. But this fits basically 95. Some of the Softails used it in the baggers, and then the twin cams also used it. The baggers used it right from 95 up to about 2002, and the Softails I think were only 95 to 98. But if you've got the old Magnetti Marelli injection, it is very good when it works, but when it doesn't, you can't get any spares anymore. It is a good idea to call us and order one of our kits. We do them with genuine Mikuni or aftermarket Mikuni. Okay, we do the Ultima R1s as well, or your SNS Super E or G, depending on what cubic inch you've got. Complete as well, we do wiring looms. If you want to do away with the old Harley ridiculous wiring loom that's got thousands of plugs on it, we do a fully computerized, you know, not all those stupid trips and relays everywhere system as well. But this is just a good example of some of the great stuff that we do at Custom Cruisers. Okay, if you're interested, give us a call, 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.